Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we will explore Rigetti Computing in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 3rd of June, 2025. And now, we aim to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 2nd of May 2025, our system has ranked Rigetti Computing as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.87. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 13.26% since we first listed Rigetti Computing as a buy candidate 22 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.6% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. Analyzing the current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 40% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 17% to nearly 69%. In terms of the longer view, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of around 120%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance could vary between 61% and 374% over the coming year. In current terms, this would translate to a future price ranging from approximately $19.42 to $57.09. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing includes the headline, Rigetti Computing Inc. stock upgraded to buy candidate. The Rigetti Computing Inc. stock price fell by 1.79% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 3rd of June, 2025, dropping from $12.26 to $12.04. During this trading session, the stock fluctuated 8.54%, reaching a low of $11.82 and a high of $12.83. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 0.08% over this period. Volume increased on the last day by 13 million shares despite the falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 42 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $503,830,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $21.42, while the lowest was 66 cents. Currently, the price is 43.79%, or $9.38, below the 52-week high of $21.42, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Rigetti Computing, trading under the ticker RGTI, has experienced a remarkable increase of over 1,249% in the past year. This surge highlights its significant potential within the technology sector, particularly in quantum computing. The impressive growth can be linked to various technological breakthroughs that have garnered investor interest. Recently, Chad Rigetti, the founder of the company, announced the establishment of a new quantum startup, Sigaldry, which aims to enhance artificial intelligence capabilities. This indicates Rigetti's proactive approach in the rapidly evolving quantum landscape. In parallel, Rigetti and its competitor D-Wave are being assessed for their hardware-first strategies in quantum computing, which could shape their market approaches moving forward. Analysts suggest that both RGTI and IBM are crucial in defining the future of this technology. Although they are following different paths, Rigetti appears more agile, while IBM relies on its extensive infrastructure. As more investors monitor the developments surrounding Rigetti, the company is capturing attention for its ascent within the quantum sector. In the short term, this buzz could further fuel demand for RGTI shares, potentially driving prices upward as more investors seek entry into this burgeoning market. In the long run, if Rigetti can leverage its innovations and partnerships, it may secure its position as a leader in quantum computing, which could lead to sustained stock price growth and an increased market capitalization. Overall, Rigetti's trajectory appears promising, closely linked to its ability to navigate the competitive landscape of quantum technology and advancements in artificial intelligence. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned RGTI a buy rating along with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley also gave RGTI a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 20th of December, 2024, it was reported that Craig-Hallum assigned RGTI a buy rating with an initiate action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Needham awarded RGTI a buy rating, along with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 25th of July, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley again gave RGTI a buy rating with an initiate action. Analysts have assigned Rigetti Computing stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing, Inc. stock currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is also a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this provides a general buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive outlook. In the event of further gains, the stock is likely to face resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $13.13. Conversely, should the stock decline, it will find support from the long-term average at around $10.63. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been observed, which may impact the near short-term trajectory. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 27, 2025, and the stock has since decreased by 15.15%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning. Thus, the stock warrants closer monitoring. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 157 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 24 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 26 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 31 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 8 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $11.92. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock is likely to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, with a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.01 between its high and low, representing an increase of 8.54%. For the past week, the stock's daily average volatility has been 8.09%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal a lack of sufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rigetti Computing is at $13.86. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a key level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Rigetti Computing encounters its first support level at $11.92. If this support level is maintained, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 21st of May, 2025, Rivas David executed an insider sale of 44,815 shares of common stock. On the 20th of May, 2025, Kulkarni Subodh K made an insider purchase of 1 million shares of common stock. On the 20th of May, 2025, Kulkarni Subodh K also conducted an insider sale of 1 million shares of employee stock options, which is the right to buy. Additionally, on the 20th of May, 2025, Kulkarni Subodh K sold another 1 million shares of common stock. On the 19th of May, 2025, Bertelsen Jeffrey A. carried out an insider purchase of 218,750 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 20.003. Overall, insiders acquired 8,413,781 shares and sold 7,645,588 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $11.47, reflecting a decline of 4.76%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which introduces significant risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 5 days ago. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, coupled with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current price level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock to perform well in the near future. Consequently, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold or accumulate position to a buy candidate. After evaluating the volatility and movements observed during the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 4th of June, we anticipate Rigetti Computing to open higher by 190 thousandths of a dollar, starting at $12.23. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.